Well, just another summer evening. Enjoying the sounds of the birds, the bugs, neighborhood kids, me, and my little boo-boo. She requested the binoculars just in case something comes out that she wants to see. You all have a great evening. Woo-hoo.